Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this purple matte marble nails using dip powder. So the products I'll be using today are Mia's Secret from the Fruity Acrylic collection, Clear Acrylic from Super Nail, and Pro Dip White dip powder. So I start off by applying bond to my natural nails that is used to dehydrate the nails. I will be building the apex of the nail by applying base to the part where the tip and the natural nail meets, and then I dip it into clear acrylic. I do this for all of the nails. This design was inspired by a picture I saw on Pinterest. When I saw it, I knew I had to do it because it looked so simple, so easy, yet so effective. So I'll be placing a picture of the one I saw on Pinterest. It was beautiful. So now I apply base to the whole nail and making sure to stay away from the cuticle, and then I dip it into the clear again. I do it for all the nails as usual. So keeping everything that I'm doing in this video because I know some people might be watching and might be confused, so I just wanted to place everything in the video so that people know what I'm doing. So watch the whole video please, and thank you. On the pinky, I did the whole nail in purple acrylic. So I just apply base and then I sprinkle the purple acrylic onto the nail. As you can see, this acrylic pours very well. It's finely milled and easy to use. This is very good for dipping as compared to the citrus acrylic which I worked with in a previous video. I will link it in the card so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I repeat the same process for the middle finger and the thumb. I did 2 layers of purple. Now onto the ring finger. This would be a white nail. I don't know what it is about white, but I just don't like it. Am I tripping, or is it low-key a difficult powder to maneuver with? I don't know. Something about it, like you could never get it 100% neat all the time. I don't know. Probably just me. So now I do a layer of white on my ring finger also. Nope. I mean my index finger, then I repeat the process for a second layer again. Now it's time to do the marble effect. So using one of the disposable trays, I pour some white powder, then some purple, and then a little bit of white again, just to create some dimension. And then using a toothpick, I just move the powder around to create a marble finish. Don't move the powder around too much, just enough to get the marble look. So now I apply base to the whole nail, to the white one obviously, and then I flip my finger over and lay it in the marble powder, and then roll my finger from side to side to get the side walls. I repeat the same process for the index. I just added some more purple, because it needed some. This nail was the easiest nail I've ever done. I finished this so fast. So for anyone who is a novice, y'all could do this. It's not that hard and it looks very good. So I already encapsulated. I didn't show myself encapsulating the nails with some clear acrylic. And then I added the activator, which you're seeing here, and I waited about 5 minutes before I started filing. Now this is after filing, and I am adding my activator again. Now I apply some Cuticle Crystals. I applied it at I did a one-sided type of Cuticle Crystal look. After I was finished, it kind of looked like some of the crystals fell out. That's what it was looking like, but no, that was the style. I thought it was looking good, but if someone saw it, they would wonder, some of the crystals come out. But it looked good to me. So now I'm adding some top coat. I used a matte top coat to finish the look. Then I'm adding my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, guys. So let me know what you think. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next one.